Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get Okta API key. All right, so first up, you'll log into your Okta account, and once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top right and click on admin, right? Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, of course, the Okta Verify app. Just got to enter the code from your Okta Verify app. And once that's done, just wait for it to sign you into the admin console. Now, once done, once you're in here, just go to the left panel and go ahead and find security right here. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down and find API. Okay, just click on it. And once done, go ahead and go to tokens. And by the way, if this is the first time you clicked on admin right here, there will be some prompts. You just follow the simple prompts. It will need you to verify again, or it will ask you which apps would you like to use with your Okta account. Just go ahead and follow the simple prompts and you'll be landed in the same exact page. Now in here under API again, just click on create token. Go ahead and name the token, for example, integrations or integ, just like so. API calls made with this token must be originated from any API in any network zone, following zones, or some other options. I'm just going to go ahead and select any API and just click on create token. Another page will pop up, and again, Okta Verify right here. Just enter the code and hit on verify, wait for it. It will ask you for your password, enter your password, and just again, wait for it. And here we have our token. Just click on this button that says copy to clipboard. And once done, you can go ahead and save it to a safe place, okay? Save it to a notepad and put it in your flash drive or wherever you want. As when you hit on OK, got it right here. This one right here will be grayed out. Okay, I'm going to show you. Refresh the page. As you can see, the Okta API has no value in here. Okay, you got the token ID, but the API will not be shown. And that is it. That's how you get the Okta API key. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.